Well, hello there, fellow shed warriors. Well, the day before yesterday, I came down to the allotment and had a bit of a problem, in so much as I couldn't get the door open on the shed. Now, you know, wood expands, contracts naturally, so but upon further investigation, it's virtually gone through. As you can see, so that's a bit of a problem there, and because of that, if I show you the spirit level that I have here, you can just see the bubble which says that this is nothing like level. Pick the spirit level up and you can see just how much that is out. That's the gap, that's the bubble, so it dropped by about an inch, I reckon. Now, I did earlier attempt to get a small jack in underneath, but I just can't access it, so the only other way of doing this that I can see at the moment is to actually take the shed down, but that in itself is a big enough task. But where that shed is, that is right on the boundary to my plot, so the boundary is more or less there, so it runs up there. And so what I'm going to be doing, it's going to take a couple of days, I think, but move the shed from there to over there, and then move the greenhouse from there to over here. The greenhouse in itself won't take a lot to move. That'll be the first thing that I will dismantle. Well, I won't dismantle it, I'll just take the cover off and then move the frame out. They're not heavy at all. Could even keep the cover on it, I expect, but then after that I've got to take the shed down, move it over. I'm going to be putting paving slabs under it. It would work out far too expensive to get new ones, and I don't like the fact that it's up as high as what it is. Never have done. It's awkward to get the lawnmower out, and so out of, like, you know, something that could be a problem, I've just turned it into a positive to make it better for me, I suppose. That's how it should be. So yeah, so you need to keep an eye on your shed and what it stood on, and because you might just end up with a nasty surprise one day. Right, so on that note, that's the my Shedwars video, so I'll be updating and let you know how things are going on that. So on that note, I'll say bye bye for now.